Hello, I'm Kotar. In this video I'm going to show you how to plant eggplants and pepper from seed. So first you're going to find some pot with loose soil. It doesn't need to be for eggplants or peppers because seedlings are going to be transplanted in a month or something like that. So these are my eggplant seeds. We're going to plant them in this pot. We're going to put them on pot quite densely, so we have a lot of plants, and most of them will be separated and transplanted into 6 cell pots and then probably transplanted in 1 pot. So they're going to be ready to transplant outside. So don't forget to label it. So here I have purple eggplant with a date. It's last of January, so you could be planting peppers and eggplants in January, February. So this is the best time for my local So now we're going to cover seeds with vermiculite. We put half of centimeter max vermiculite. So if you watch seeds and you want to know how deep you can plant them, you can plant them 3 to 4 times of the length of the seed, so that's probably half centimeter. So we did just that. So now we're going to water it and watch it grow and first germinate. So here I can show you 15 days old peppers. So we can see that they have just first leaves and this little root. So let's look at the older ones. These were planted on Christmas, so some of them already have first 2 leaves, first and second one. So you can see more stages of pepper's life and eggplant. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel and have a nice day. Goodbye.